versatile stand-up paddleboard in our inflatable collection, and we recommend it for all skill levels. It's stable, lightweight, and extremely durable. Simply put, this board can do it all. Take it out on the lake, the bay, or even surfing on a smaller day. The Pioneer comes equipped with a nose carry handle, which helps you easily take your board into or out of the water. It also has a grooved traction pad, which provides a soft surface whether you're standing, kneeling, or even seated on the board. This inflatable has 2 sets of bungees to ensure enough room for gear, whether you're going for a quick paddle or spending a full day on the water. For transportation, we added a rounded carry handle constructed of neoprene for optimal comfort. The military-grade PVC makes this board durable enough to withstand excessive stress impact. This particular model can hold over 240 pounds and has 6 inches of thickness, which keeps the board's deck dry and above the water. In addition to durability, the double-layered PVC provides just as much rigidity as your typical epoxy hardboard. With every paddleboard comes a full package of gear and accessories. Our durable travel bag for the board was designed with additional padding for extra comfort and support when transporting your inflatable. Our carbon fiber adjustable travel paddle is extremely light and features an anti-twist handle to avoid movement while paddling. The coil design on our 8-foot leash helps keep the leash out of the water while paddling. The nylon touring center fin is easy to install and will keep you on track with every paddle. The Inflatable series uses a universal fin box, which allows for interchangeability. Our dual-action hand pump inflates on the pull and push motion of the pump, then you can use a single action to top it off. With our Inflatable series, transportation and storage will not be an issue. The entire setup folds up and fits neatly into our aisle travel bags with room for additional gear. Now get out there and get ready for your next adventure.